Hi everyone, welcome to the Vailen Venture vlog. And we're back here at the house and we're going to show you what I was talking about with this financial spreadsheet. So if you want to just go to FamVestor.com and you can go to the blog and type in the spreadsheet, or you can just go FamVestor.com/spreadsheet and we'll get right into this. Nice cute picture of Vailen on there. So I give a brief description on how to use this spreadsheet. This is a very powerful spreadsheet. It shows your net worth, your annual savings rate, your annual expenses, all on one Google spreadsheet, all on one page, and it's formatted so you can just hit print and it'll print really nicely on 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Vailen, what are you doing? Yeah, your berries. Anyway, so here's, the first part of the screen, you get the financial overview. So that's where you have your name, your sex, your date of birth. You can put your social in there. We did this because we print this out and give it to, like, if we need to buy a house, we'll give it to our banker, and they can quickly see where all our assets are, where all our expenses are, how much we're worth, and how much they can lend to us. So you can use that portion. I have occupation in there, our gross salaries, our gross rental income. Perhaps you don't have rental income, but you could fill that in with any other means of income you receive. So let's go through this. So that's your general overview, and there's some equations in there to get your total gross income, your total assets. But before you can get those, you have to fill in everything else. So the following portion of it is savings. So here I have all my bank accounts, and the total from those bank accounts, from the cash. And then after that, we have stocks, any IRAs you have. Well, I put stocks and Roth IRAs together because I use my Roth IRA almost like an emergency savings account, or some place to accrue cash and let it accrue interest rather than just a savings account. So I put my stock accounts there, our Roth IRA accounts there, totals up again. And then here is your retirement, TSP, your 401k, things you're not going to touch until retirement for sure. And that's right there. And then here I have a section for assets. If you want, you can put your car. All I did was put our 4-family house that we own. And there you see how much we owe on that house. And here is how much it appraised for. So the equity of the property is right there, and that all goes into your net worth, which I'll go into later. And then here, this section is for total debts. So you have things like any student loans you have, any credit card balances you have, any outstanding balances you have. So that's a little brief on that. And then you have your expenses. This is everything, from month to month, from year to year. I have it broken down by week, every 2 weeks, every month, every 4 months, every 6 months, every year, and then that all gets added. A week you multiply by 52, 26, and it does that automatically for you here. So things I track are things like gym membership. Oh, Vailen, that's dangerous. Okay, things like gym membership, your phone bill, car insurance, health insurance, dental insurance. Vailen, what are these?
Fish.
And knacks? Are they knacks?
No.
Yeah, knacks. I have it kind of labeled in blue. These are things that just kind of come out of my paycheck, like health insurance, dental insurance, taxes. We estimated our year-end taxes, and then I can see from my paycheck what they take out for Social Security and Medicare tax. And red is our homeowner expenses. Maybe you don't have that. Maybe just pay rent, and then some other miscellaneous expenses. But in total, you can see exactly what your expenses are, and for most people, you know exactly what your salary is. So to get your, so you add up both salaries if you're married, and then you get your total gross income, and you take your total gross income and you subtract your total expenses to get your total annual. Vailen, can you help me? Can you help me? To get your total annual savings. So that's how much you save each and every year if you stick to this expense sheet. And I'll go into budgets a little later because you can't track every expense. You don't know what you're going to be buying this month or next month. So we ourselves set a budget, and that budget's $450 a month each, so that's $900 a month for the both of us. And by tracking every recurring expense And then every out-of-pocket expense, we capture the whole expense package. You want to go walk around?
Okay.
Yeah, go find some cars, Vailen. And then we'll play later, okay? Yeah. So that's kind of how you calculate your savings rate. And that's a very important number to know. And you definitely want that number to be in the green, not red in the negative. Oh, you brought another train to play with. Car. So the next thing to know that's really valuable is your net worth. And that's what we see a little bit below here. So your net worth is essentially just a simple equation, your net assets minus your liabilities, any debts you have. So an asset is things like a house. That house that we own is worth $545,000, but we owe $382,000 on it. So our net worth in just that house, or what the house is worth, is $162,000 for us. So we there's different assets, like what money is in your savings, what money is in your IRAs. So we added all that up, and that goes into this total assets column. And then you have your total liabilities, which is all your debts, including what you owe on the house, owe on a car, things of that nature. And you subtract the two, and you get your net worth. So that's a real cool number to know. I love to just make duplicates of this sheet and mark it whenever, what time that financial picture was for us. And it's cool to see as you go along your net worth increasing. And right now, it's increased from when we did this in July, and now we're quarter millionaires. We broke that 250,000 benchmark. So that's really awesome. And it's a really cool spreadsheet. I urge you all to take a few minutes. I mean, it's probably going to be more like 2 hours if you've never baselined your expenses and know what's in all your savings accounts. But I think it's really valuable. It's really worthwhile doing. And Vailen thinks so too. Right, Vailen? Yeah? Yeah. So thanks for tuning in, and get back to the show. So we'll see you soon. Good luck. Godspeed.
Bye-bye.
Bye.